Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Let's dive right in and talk about how growing businesses can scale up seamlessly, completely skipping that crushing weight of enterprise tech bloat. If you've ever felt like your business is trying to sprint, but your technology is tying your shoelaces together, well, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're unpacking Ontraport. It's an all-in-one platform built to unify your entire business infrastructure. We're going to see exactly how it pulls everything from your marketing campaigns to your final payment processing onto one single unified database. It's got the muscle to handle serious growth, but without those eye-watering costs or headaches you usually get with traditional enterprise software.
Here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll cover the cost of scaling, dive into the all-in-one platform itself, check out their AI-native automation, compare Ontraport to the enterprise giants, and wrap up with reliability and support.
All right, Section 1, the cost of scaling, overcoming the tech patchwork.
So we're starting with the brick wall that pretty much every growing organization eventually slams into. You start out small, right? You grab a tool for your email, maybe another one for your website, a third one for taking payments, and before you know it, you are trying to scale your business using this totally disconnected Frankenstein tech stack. It's a super common growing pain, but honestly, it makes true scaling nearly impossible. Just ask yourself, as your operations are expanding, are your business tools multiplying out of control? Are you spending way more time managing messy integrations, fixing broken API links, and exporting CSVs than actually, running your business? Because when your data lives in separate silos, your team works in silos. And that friction, it's literally costing you time and revenue.
12 plus. Yeah, seriously. According to user data, that is the staggering average number of separate, disconnected tools a business completely replaces when they switch over to Ontraport's unified system. Just imagine taking over a dozen different monthly subscriptions, all those forgotten passwords and disjointed interfaces, and collapsing the whole shebang into just one. The sheer efficiency you gain just by eliminating the headache of context switching is massive.
Moving right along to Section 2, the all-in-one platform. One system, one database.
Okay, so here's how Ontraport actually acts as the bridge to a much cleaner future. It gives you one system running on one affordable no-code database. And this is the absolutely crucial takeaway. Ontraport isn't just a bunch of separate tools duct taped together and sold as a bundle. Nope. It's a unified platform built from the ground up, where everything and everyone lives in one centralized spot. This means your marketing, your sales, your ops, and your leadership teams are all looking at the exact same data at the exact same time. There is absolutely nothing to sync, which means zero syncing delays.
Let's walk through a quick journey to see how this plays out, starting with the very first touch point. Imagine a brand new customer. Their journey beautifully kicks off when they visit your website, a landing page, or maybe a custom course portal. With Ontraport's dynamic CMS, you can build and manage all of these digital storefronts without writing a single line of code. And because it's part of that shared database, your website is natively hardwired straight into your CRM.
Boom! The very second to interact with your site, they're captured by the CRM. This is where the magic of customer management happens. Your whole team gets this shared, real-time view of every single action that prospect takes, all pinned to one single record. So whether you're launching a marketing campaign, working a sales pipeline, or answering a support ticket, your staff has the complete, up-to-the-second context of that customer's history.
Next up, they need to be nurtured, right? Well, that is handled on autopilot through marketing automation. You can easily build out these beautifully complex, highly targeted email and SMS sequences, but it goes way deeper than just sending messages. You can score those leads, route them directly to the right sales reps, and even track the attribution from their very first ad click all the way to the final revenue. It is an unbelievably powerful way to automate your growth engine.
And then comes the best part. They're ready to buy. They convert seamlessly through the built-in payment system. You can accept payments, process tricky upsells, manage ongoing subscriptions, and even automatically recover declined credit cards. And remember our golden rule here? Every piece of this financial data is connected to that exact same customer record we started with. No third-party payment integrations are needed. Your money data is perfectly tied to your marketing data.
Which brings us to Section 3, AI-native automation, your built-in assistant.
Listen, AI is everywhere right now. But artificial intelligence here isn't just a gimmicky add-on. It's actually woven straight into the fundamental fabric of the platform. Here's the vital difference. A lot of tools brag about AI, but usually it's just a lonely chatbot sitting in the corner. Ontraport's AI Assistant lives directly inside your workflows. Because it's sitting right on top of that unified database we keep talking about, it accesses your real-time customer data.
It can instantly personalize emails based on what a user just clicked, intelligently route messages using AI tags, and dynamically segment your contacts. It literally takes action for you.
And the AI roadmap here is just wild. Available right now. You've got AI generating content straight from your podcasts or blog posts and working inside your automations. Coming this summer, they're rolling out a chat with your data feature, so you can just ask your app for instant answers about your business metrics. But coming next, and actually, scratch that, this is the true game changer. You will simply describe what kind of system or portal you need, and the AI will literally build it for you inside Ontraport. It's a massive leap forward in making complex tech accessible.
Section 4. Ontraport versus Enterprise Giants. Accessible Power.
So how does this accessible, no-code framework actually stack up against the massive heavyweights in the enterprise software world? It's a bit of a David and Goliath situation. On one side, you've got giants like Salesforce or HubSpot. To get these exact same core capabilities, CRM, marketing automation, CMS, reporting, you're usually looking at buying multiple different suites, locking yourself into massive, six-figure, multi-year contracts, and hiring expensive developers just to keep the lights on. On the flip side, Ontraport delivers all-in-one affordability, absolutely zero coding required, designed specifically to be managed by anyone, and priced to actually fit the budgets of small teams, startups, and growing business owners.
Finally, Section 5, Reliability and Support, building on a solid foundation.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Putting your entire business, marketing, sales, and payments into one single platform requires an immense amount of trust. Your eggs are all in one basket, so that basket needs to be titanium. That trust starts right here with this number, 99.99%. Ontraport maintains an incredible 99.99% average uptime using continuously monitored cloud infrastructure. So whether it's the absolute chaos of Black Friday or just a random Tuesday night, your business never sleeps, and neither does the platform running it.
And you can add to that rock-solid uptime nearly 2 decades of experience in the industry, backed up by over 500 5-star reviews. They also don't mess around with security. They're fully PCI DSS Level 1 certified for ultimate payment safety, fully GDPR compliant, and they use strict role-based access control. But honestly, the real standout here is their support team. You get 7-day-a-week support via live chat, email, or even direct screen share. And get this, absolutely zero support paywalls. Every single plan gets full access to their experts and Ontraport University.
So, as we wrap up this explainer today, I want to leave you with one final thought to mull over. Take a hard look at your current tech stack. Is it time to finally consolidate your business? Is that patchwork of expensive, disconnected tools you're using right now actually holding you back from your true scaling potential? By bringing your operations, marketing, and payments together under one roof, you aren't just saving money, you're gaining incredible clarity and unbelievable speed. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I really encourage you to think about how a unified approach could totally transform the way you work.